came with another video where I will discuss about the Linux enumerating users and groups. So after gaining the initial access to a target system, it is always important to learn more about the system, right? And that what user account you have to access and what other user accounts on the system. So in this video, what you are going to looking for, you are going to looking for the current user and privileges, other users on the systems and group as well. Okay, so let's get the IP address first. So as you know that this is the IP address from the Ethernet one. So our target IP address will be the next one. Okay, so before that so this is going to be target IP address, and right now we are doing the nmap scan with the service version detection. Okay, so we can see that the VSFTPD 2.3 we have already detected this one. So now what we need to do that we need to open MSF console, and we need to perform the backdoor vulnerabilities. Okay, so for that one we will type search VSFTPD. Okay, then you can see this one. We can see this module. What we need to do that we need to copy this module, and we need to type use this one. Okay, and then we need to check the module by show options. So the rhost is not set yet. So what we need to do that we need to set the rhost. To set the rhost, we need to copy the IP address again. Okay, so once we copy this IP address and paste it, so what we will do that we will start the run. Okay, so after a couple of minutes you will see that that exploit is completed, and it will be provided as a command shell session. Okay, so then you can see the command shell session has already established the root privileges on the target system. Okay, so because the command shell session is a non-interactive, we need to spawn a batch session, so which can be done by the running the following command. Okay, so what will be the command? The command will be bin bash. Okay, so now we can obtain a metadata session on the target system by upgrading this command shell session, which can be done by putting the session in the background, and we can put the control Z. Okay, and then we can type sessions. So once we do it, then we need to type it is going to upgrade the session ID as well. Okay, don't worry about the error message. So now what we will do that we will type the sessions, and we will select the sessions too. Okay, so it is showing that the upgrading the command shell to metadata session is already successful, and we can now interact with the target system via the metadata sessions, which is the session ID number 2. Okay, okay, so what we can do that we can check the system information. As you can see that we got the Debian details and the Linux version as well. So let's try to get the get user ID. So this is going to show you that they currently have access to the target system as a root user. Okay, so we can also obtain the same information manually by running the following command, in the command cell session. So suppose if you are writing manually, you can do this one. And so now that we have identified the user account we have access to, now we can enumerate the groups that the root user is a part of this, which can be done by typing the groups root. Okay, as you can see. So you can get a list of the other users and the service accounts on the Linux system by running this command. Okay. So now we can enumerate a list of groups present on the system by running the group command. Okay. So you can see that we can visit the users that are currently logged in by running the following command, which is who. That is, it's a root account. Okay. So in the previous in this one you can see that in this case you can see that no users are currently logged on via console or remotely via SSH, right? So we can also get a list of users who have recently logged into the system. Okay, so how we can get this who logged in before? By tapping the last log. So as you can see, you can see this information about the user, those who logged in before. Okay, so that's how we actually explored the process of enumerating users and the groups of a target system which is running on the Linux, right? So that's all for today. So if you have any questions or anything, you can always write it in the comment sections. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.